Morning well, actually, yeah, it's still morning actually. Welcome along to a hailing morning at the MX5 Restorer, another weekly update. Yeah, I've come out quickly, it started hailing a minute ago and it just died down, so hopefully it'll be alright. Okay, let's crack on with it. So, the white one that came to us with a possible engine that was overheated and was head gasket failure, that one just turned out to be the rad was completely blocked, the heater matrix was. I can't remember if we did a video on that last week. Anyway, the woman's going to come and collect that. This Mark 1 we've already done some bits on this. I think we came in for a free inspection and we're down to do some rust works and a few other bits and pieces, so that stayed in from Saturday. This Mark 2 was an exhaust MOT and a few other little bits and pieces. Yeah, the turbo one, I'm literally about to jump in the van, put it on the trailer and deliver it back to the guy now. So this is all finally done. So yeah. And our F-Reg one has literally just, Gareth's taken photos this morning and it's now going to go up for sale. And it started to hail again. I'm going to go in quickly before I get too wet. Yeah, it's looking nice, that red one. It's really clean. It's going up. I think the price is 9,995, so it's just literally just shy under 10,000, which I actually think is a really good price for the work that we've put into it. Some people say we should have put it up for more, but there we go. I'll start with you, Ash.
Alright.
Seeing as you and Mr. Noisy.
Hello.
So you're back on your favourite car?
Yeah.
You got a cold?
No, got something in my eye.
Yeah, I was going to say, what's happened to your eye?
Big something.
Are you using... What's that?
Pink eye.
Pink eye, it is a bit pink. Do the viewers want to see that?
No, not really.
Yeah, stop squinting at me.
I can't, it's too bright.
Have you got something in your eye, seriously?
Yeah.
Well, why aren't you sorting it out? Why are you still grinding?
I've got work to do.
Yeah, but your eye's important, mate. Right, we'll come back to this.
I've got 2 of them.
Yeah, go and sort your eye out.
I can't, it's been in there since yesterday.
Been there since yesterday? Did you go to the doctor's or hospital last night?
No?
Why not?
It's fine, I've got 2 on.
This is supposed to be what's happening in the workshop, not what's going on with Ashlee's eye.
You're making it worse. It wasn't watering this bad until he came over and got
It's my sight. You need to get it looked at. It's swollen. All right. Well, do you want to run through what you've been doing?
Cutting and welding and grinding and
Ding. Okay. So you've got the seal end plate on, inner seal.
Yep.
It's still a bit holy up there though, isn't it?
Yeah, that's all got to come out.
Getting rid of that.
Yeah, that's all coming.
The other side's been done, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I know you've left that bit as well.
Yeah, I'll get come to the arches later.
Are you saving the best till last?
Yeah, pretty much.
Do you enjoy doing that bit?
Yeah. It's going to be fun. No one's done one that bad yet.
I have. Mine's bad. I've done one before, but I've had to cut it from there all the way back. Hey?
Huh?
So what bit are you doing now? You're just cleaning this side up?
Block section and cleaning it up, yeah.
Nice. So this is the one which we're doing bits and pieces on as of when, but can't see me. So, which is when did we were doing some work on it a couple of weeks ago, weren't we? Or Roy was.
Is that fillery just putting there?
Is that fiberglass that you just put in there to make that go up? Yeah, we're doing bits and pieces on this car because it's a big job. There's a lot going on it. So we had a few cars last week which weren't cancelled, which were a bit far beyond the repair. So we've managed to be able to bring it in and do a bit more on it, haven't we? All right. Can you go and sort your eye out? Or
do what with it?
I don't know. Have you tried washing it?
Yeah.
Have you got anything in it?
Yeah, I can see where it is.
You need to get it dug out.
I'll just get a trowel out.
But there are going to be people watching this video, and they're going to be saying, "Ashlee, you need to go to the hospital." Yeah, I'm saying now, you need to go to the doctors or hospital because it'll only get worse, and you could be waiting 2 or 3 hours.
Personal experience.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, it took a week to get him down to hospital. So.
Listen, if you got something in your eye like that, you need to go and get it sorted. Because it doesn't. How did it come on? Did it just slowly start scratching?
Huh?
Did it slowly come in and then get worse and
I
worse?
just noticed it yesterday.
Yeah, but did it just slowly coming in? Didn't come in just like that. It was like, first of all, it starts off like a mild irritant, and then it just gets worse and worse and worse.
Sort of.
Right, then you got some metal in your eye.
Yeah, I know. I can see it. In the
Right,
mirror, I can
you need
see
to
where
go. Look, you need to go to the hospital or doctors. Well, no, the hospital, because doctors just send you to the hospital. You can't continue grinding. I've got to do a video with Roy. You are Roy.
Snowman.
Yeah.
I go
For the OAP look.
yeah. I can't say that one.
Well, how old are you now? You're in your 40s, aren't you?
Not quite.
You're 40 now, aren't you?
I'm 40, yes.
Yeah.
But
I can take the mick out of Roy because I'm older than him anyway, so I'm well in my 40s.
yeah. You're only a bus.
At least you got hair.
True.
That's a plus side.
Lots of it.
Yeah. I didn't have that when I was 40.
No, very true.
So what are you doing on this one then?
Busting a gut on this one. I've just done. Yesterday, I started this Tuesday afternoon, and I had it welded yesterday. So inner and outer sills on yesterday, done.
Yeah.
Just doing the filler work today. I've got a little repair tool on the floor.
That's because
And then undersill and thick gas shocks.
okay.
Which I thought I had to get done for Saturday, but I didn't read the flexi part.
Yeah,
So
I think that's
busted-
going to be next week.
I busted it out yesterday trying to get it done,
Didn't need to.
and yeah, just got lost. Literally that's just pinhole filling.
Yeah.
And this side's done. So that's ready for stone chip now. I'll mask everything up. That's ready for stone chip. And then
Cool.
once it's stone chipped, obviously paint it. But yeah, undersill and gas shots, which I think which I think we're doing a video on.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Will do.
that is my mission for today.
I think that'll be next week, that video.
Yeah, I'm not here next week, so
It probably won't be you doing it then.
I'm off again.
Yeah.
I'm off down to the new for
Going out and you're going for a journey in your car, aren't you, Roy?
after a year of being off the road.
Roy's just got it. Roy's just got his MX5 back on the road. Unfortunately, his boost solenoid wasn't working, so he's only got actuator pressure.
Yeah, it's still 10 PSI.
He's not happy with it.
No, I'm not happy with it.
It's not enough.
No, it's not enough. It's not enough. But it'll do for now. So,
Cool. Alright.
alright?
Yep. Cheers, Roy.
Alright.
Right, so Jim's been working on a car. Oh, my pen's on the floor. So Jim's been working on a Mark 1. Where are you, Jim? That's had many sort of little bits and pieces he's had to sort of like work out, redo and do.
Thanks.
So, do you want to run through what it is you've been doing on this one? Starting at the beginning.
At the beginning.
headlights were stuck up and had no power. There was a retractor relay under the dash missing, and where the loom's been tucked on this, it had come around here a bit short and got tangled up in the...
So there's just some wiring, some of the wiring loom getting tangled up in the actual retractor bits for the headlights. Yeah. So yeah, it's that was that, wasn't it?
That was that, worked fine. I put in an earth into the clock lights because they weren't working, probably due to the rewire on the ECU. And they're all working fine now.
That was that, and then the
cage out and retapped all of the suspension,
seat belt. So yeah, so the thread, I don't know if you can see it, the thread for that bolt there was basic. It was shot, wasn't it? There was about 2 threads left at the bottom.
I think a lesson for anyone fitting the roll cage is, before you bolt the roll cage in, do the seatbelt mounts up, because they're always difficult to get back in.
Yeah.
Once it's bolted in, and we sealed all that up as well, because I didn't know there was any underseal in that.
So you basically tapped a new thread in that and just used a big bolt, didn't we?
We put an M12 thread instead of M11.
Yeah, and that worked.
Yeah.
What else was there on it? You had rubbing on the wheels as well.
Yeah.
Shut up. Shut the door. Yeah, it's just a few bits and pieces to do in this car. Customer's got a few niggles with it, wanted it sorted out. I think he had a noise going left to right, and that was basically brake lines, wasn't it?
Well, it's a bit of two things. His wheel arch liners were catching because it was quite low.
Yeah.
It was hitting that, and if we look at the other side, on this side, the brake lines up here. The brake line is hitting the top there.
Yeah, I think it's got it. Yeah.
But what I've done is just tweak the bracket over a little bit, and it draws the brake line across. This bracket in here, if you put a bar in there, just tweak it over a little bit and forward a little bit.
Yeah. It's pulled some of the slack out.
It now clears quite nicely.
Yeah. Much more room.
That should be fine. I've also changed all of the coolant hoses over and put in an aluminium rad.
Oh yeah. Rad. Can't really see the hoses from it. There we go. We got some black shiny silicone hoses. Cool. You're pretty much done on this now, aren't you?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Cool. Cheers, Jim. Right. That's what's going on in the workshop. Thanks for your comments, guys, regarding our channel. Appreciate you taking your time to watch us doing what we're doing here. Something that was just started out as just something to do, and we keep getting feedback from people telling us that they like the videos, to keep doing them. And I do get a bit frustrated myself when I can't continue to do other videos and stuff, because it still is the early days of doing stuff, and it's just the management of time, of what we've got going on in the workshop, when I can do a video, and what I've got going on at that present moment. So it's a very difficult thing to do, these videos. It seems very easy, but it's quite a logistical problem, especially when you're trying to do project ones. You lose track of time with things, but never mind. We'll get better, I'm sure we will. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. See you then. Bye bye.